phuza.
Uphuza how many liters a day of water?
Ngiyaphuza man, it's after le COVID.
Hayi, phuza mngani, nokuphuza before sokhuluma. Sizokwazi ukuthi sixoxe. Phuza bhuti. Nodlamelani manje. Awu. Kwale Nkosi. Kuwe no Baba Khet Matlala. Ubani onamanga kakhulu?
Ngani?
Wena uthi eindabeni angimazi mina uMatlala. Maze sifike lokhu nje SABC News uyicheck ugcoka ijacket eblack wathi awumazi. Wabuya wangena ngapha wathi uyamazi ublood brother wakho. So
I think zangumamele kahle. Yes. Ngathi angiyazi blue lights. There are no blue lights, and I'm still firm on that. Yes. I even said there are letters. You see. Okay. I thought the journalists will ask about it. Let's say no. He said to me, no, I'm aware about that.
Oh.
You see. And lapho estifara khona ukuthi imoto safika kithi. No, zange
sizobuya lapha sidlule lapho. Umbuzo wona usamile. Ubani onamanga kakhulu kuwena noKhet Matlala?
Angazi ukukhuluma ngani. Sengiclarify
uthi yena akaza kuphi imali wena. Wena uthi uphile imali. Namhlanje uthi uphe esifeni. Last wathi ukuphe abo 1000 rand ne grocery lapha nalapha. Ubani onamanga ke noma sicale ngombuzo sicede umbuzo. Ubani onamanga kuwe noMatlala ubani onamanga amakhulu. Ngifuna nje ukuthi ubani strong la emangeni.
I think asimameli kahle. Mina ngumameli kahle. Grocery ngicela ukuyizwa ngawe namanje.
Okay.
Shothi umamela songijajile uqedile ukuthi lo one day ngiyomthola. Grocery ngicela ukuyizwa.
The only thing uMadlanga ukhuluma lento engiyikhuluma.
Yes, the only thing ngisho kuMadlanga ile bengikhuluma ngayo yokuhlala sidle kuma restaurant and other things. Grocery hayi.
Akaze wena ukhuluma ukuthi imali akunika yona uKhet ila kubo 1000 ne grocery.
No, ngakhuluma ngepetrol. Zange sikhulume ngalento leyo. Futhi zange ngithi ngimali epetrol. Sometimes unokucela ipetrol sometimes futhi uye kakhulu ethanda ukucela sihlangene man. Angifuni usebenzisa ikhadi awunakungane kanje lapho kanje asikhulume nje. But igrocery ayakaze angithengele uGrocery ngoba ngicamba amanga. Hayi.
So ngale Nkosi mangulethela ke ivideo wena ukhuluma lento leyo oyikhulumayo. Bese kuvela indaba wayikhuluma indaba yegrocery. Leli veni lami libela ngaphandle ulibonile mawungena khona ivele lemhlophe la ecaleni. Ilele engiyilayishela ngalabantu abanjengawe. So ngakuprove ukuthi uqamba amanga. So admit ukuthi kunenkinga la.
Excuse me, Chief. Sorry. There's interfering sound coming through. I'm not sure from where.
Yeah, it's interpreting services.
I think it's volume on these things. You can just take out that headphones on you in front of you. Or you can put them on your ear. They're translating. Okay. Sure. Ngikhuluma ngalento le Mr. Nganankale Nkosi ukuthi njengoba le ndoda uthi wena ayikazi yona ithi ayikazi yakuphi imali. Wena uthi ke yakupha.
Lokho
unamanga ubani onamanga
nokanginika
okwakunika yena
no ngengicamba amanga kule committee.
Okay. Ukuba imember yeANC
ngisakhula
useseyi
ngikhulele manje ngikho active to any politics.
Useseyi member yeANC?
No angikho active to any politics.
Useseyi member yeANC?
Consciously so, and you see, but as membership card, no.
Why resign as a member?
No, you don't resign. You expire membership card.
You expire?
Yeah, you expire.
Then automatically you're out.
You renew it annually.
Ngubuza ngoba uthe wena mawukhula ukhule in the political structure.
Yes, it's true.
And I question indlela okhule ngayo. One, uma ufundiswa isitha eCape Town. Yakuvuma lokho ngithi usho njalo. Funde through isitha la eCape Town. Saldanha.
No, lapha bese ngiyiphoyisa.
Bese uyiphoyisa right ngikhuluma ngalokho. Waphindwa wafundiswa iFBI yase-USA.
Yes.
Waphindwa wafunde Los Angeles.
No, it was here.
It was here, but abantu base Los Angeles.
They provided it here, yes.
Are you not having a handler?
No.
Sure.
Yes, I. My
Okay.
conscience doesn't allow me to do that. I'm very
Do
patriotic.
you
very
think
patriotic.
i-IP njengoba kurecommend ukuthi discipline discipline?
I don't know, I can't decide on their behalf.
Do you think discipline
I angazi.
awas?
But they submitted the recommendation, now they submitted to the city.
Mhm.
They submitted the negative recommendation when you check to the city. They
Mhm.
finalized their report and submitted to the
To
city.
the city, have you seen the report?
No.
Okay.
And I even mentioned the statement that it was for the first time, but seeing this one, a responder from the city to IPT.
Reason ngibuza ngala qualifications ngalokufundiswa kwakho kwase Cape Town, USA, Los Angeles, is that when you come to ama promotions wakho are fast and maningi and aseduze onke wena wedwa nje, why?
And they're slow. And they're slow.
Are
There are
slow.
people who grow up faster than I.
Serious?
They're very slow and who don't have qualifications.
When you make Bright appoint as a superintendent, did you have qualifications?
Chair, you can see, I was appointed by McBride nor after McBride, I'm not sure. It's just that I don't remember was the chief.
Appointed like McBride.
McBride was only one term.
Appointed like two.
No, we one term McBride.
Hmm.
We played 4 years foot.
For
Remember,
in that time, boy superintendent did
Zanga
what?
Zanga sayiqeda. Mase ngu-chief foot bangekho McBride. Zanga ayiqeda iterm yakhe.
Oh, azange promote mhlawumbe kawu-2.
No. He didn't sit in my promotions. In my promotions was directors and deputy chief. In fact, there's delegation. You see, chief of police doesn't sit in junior positions. I don't sit in junior positions. You see.
So appoint McBride one.
No, I passed the interview.
You pass interview.
Yes, I passed. I went to interview. Went to
But
interview.
appoint
I
McBride.
passed the interview.
Oh, mhlambe ithi ngikusize ngibuza umbuzo lo ofunwa wakho so that soya kowami. Wayepass interview
Yes.
sengubuzile wakho umbuzo.
Yes.
Owami uthi wa appointwa uMcBride na. Umzwili izoluthe uyimember ye-ANC naye.
I didn't follow him.
Oh,
Instead,
okay.
basically prepare a best busy no nama lawyer prepare a statement. Ngimamele the first day exam.
Okay. Nginenkinga ke la mfowethu. Kunenkulumo ethi there's nothing for mahala. Siyavumelana sinawo.
Ngiyayazi le nkulumo.
Yabo izolo ingilimaze kakhulu lento when uMcBride says uSullivan is fighting a crime in South Africa and is doing it for free. Do you believe we can't ngaleyo?
In terms of crime, there are many people who are doing that. Yes, I believe.
For free.
There are many South Africans who are dedicating their life every day. When you go to the areas of Tlalapo, the groups that are the patrollers, they don't get paid.
They do it for free.
Yes, they're doing it for free. And they're doing
I like how you started. You said there are many South Africans. Do you think a person like McBride will leave London, Irish, or Ireland and come fight crime in South Africa for free?
McBride is a South African.
Or Paul O'Sullivan.
I don't know, Paul. I don't even
But
follow
do you
him.
think as a police, remember intelligence of Ekurhuleni relies on you, we depend on you. Do you think a person would leave London or Ireland and come fight South Africa, a crime in South Africa for free?
He's having a private company. He's not benefiting.
Does
outside.
Paul O'Sullivan have a private company?
I'm not sure. He's a.
You just answered that question without me asking.
That is a businessman. He's a businessman.
I'm asking you that question because I want to do a favor to you to give you a question where you answered.
Yeah. Can I not answer, but to Paul? I know
Okay,
nothing.
asibuza
Yes.
remember mnganami, remember i-Ekurhuleni idepende kuwe isemahlombe akho. So intelligence is part of your office, right? It's what you should think.
Yeah, correct.
Do you think a person like Paul O'Sullivan would leave the island or Irish or wherever or London and come fight crime in South Africa for free now? We are on this thing, there's something for mahala. There's nothing for mahala.
If you're asking me about the South African, I don't know, Paul.
Uyasaba ukukhuluma ngoPaul O'Sullivan?
No, ngijwayelanga.
Yeah. Oh,
Mina ngiconcentrate kumasipala. I don't want to commit myself emntwini
kahle ngwale nkosi. Uyamazi uPaul O'Sullivan?
No, I don't know him.
Okay, ungasaphinde ungiphendule lokho ngikubuzile. Ithi ngikuphinde futhi uyamazi uPaul O'Sullivan?
No, angimazi uPaul Sullivan.
Na umbuzo wami ke. Ngithi mina kuwena njengomphathi wamaphoyisa eKurhuleni. Do you think a person like Paul O'Sullivan would leave his country and fight crime in South Africa for free? Nah.
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know his
Akuvuleke lapho.
interest, yes.
Nginenkinga Nkosi Nkosi. We have lost credibility in leaders of our security system in South Africa. All people who are sitting there, most of them, if you have watched,
Yes.
they don't give us a trust in them that we can really rely on them, that most of their offices that they are running, especially la sensitive con. What do we do, or what should we do to ukususa inkinga enjengaleyo ukuthi sibe namaphoyisa anjengana aphethe angathembakalanga? What is the problem? What causes such a problem?
You're putting me in a tight corner.
Ask case baba ngepolice. Yini yenze wena ukuthi kube lula ukuthi mhlawumbe uyithola umngani noKate Matlala?
I think it's the trust and what they presented to members, you see. Because to me, it was,
Let's
me-
leave members as
yeah,
full
to me,
members.
it was a company. It was Cat VIP Security.
Personally, what made you
before I
trust Cat?
became, but there's nothing bad that it did to me.
To you,
And
yeah.
I did that, those things, they
Mm.
were not there.
They were not.
In fact, even if those things were, even now,
Mm.
if those things were not there, I was going to say Namsugela.
Those
You
were
see,
not.
yes. Yes, I was going to say, no. This man, I meet with him. This man doesn't discuss silly things, other things.
Do you still
see.
trust Kate Matlala?
The credibility has made me to challenge, and the way he has presented, and the way he has said, when they were asking me about me, he said he was my friend.
Do you still trust Kate Matlala?
I'm skeptical now, see. But I've been done thorough investigation to check all the, but I got all these things now.
So if you're saying you're skeptical, what are you waiting for that will change your mind?
He's in court.
You're waiting for
Yeah, he's in
court
court,
yakhe
yeah.
ukuthi iphele.
No, not the pele.
So ingakapheli uzokwazi ukudetermine ukuthi ungamthemba or ungamthembi.
Now I've learned many things with these processes.
Or you've learned.
Yeah, in this
Which
process,
concludes ukuthi you now know whether you trust him or not.
no, in anything that we do, we don't just.
With what you've seen so far, do you trust Kate Matlala?
He hasn't done bad thing to me.
Oh lolo, Nkwale Nkosi. Ngikubuza ngesizulu mntakababa. Uloko sukubonile, usuyamthemba, usamthemba yini uKate Matlala? Ukwamthemba before?
Yeah, before being Temba, because
Usamthemba manje?
I might say my doubts.
Unama-doubt.
Yes. There's England is Velayo, man. That's all.
Are you
But
on
we-
suspension manje?
Yes.
Do you hope ukubuyela esiphoyiseni uyophatha futhi?
Yes, I can still lead.
Do you think you are
I'm
a
still
good leader?
committed. I'm committed.
Do you think you are a good leader?
Yes, I'm committed.
Do you think we should trust you as South African?
Yes.
Why?
I do my work on daily basis. I deliver in terms of the mandate that I'm being given, that I'm appointed for. I do
Mhm.
that 100%.
In your mandate,
I think there were shortfalls in terms of some of decisions that I took. You see, I didn't do that. There was a question that Umhlonisha was asking. No, chairperson. You see, the intelligent part, we asked it.
khulumela ku-mic mntakababa.
Oh, there were questions that Umhlonisha, he asked, and there was a question which chairperson I raised. Now you raise it many times that intelligent, you see. And I've said, I think there's an oversight, there's a shortfall on my side. I must make sure that I improve in that skill. In making sure that you don't trust a person at the first time or
Nenkinga zemali mnganami.
no.
Nazo ikoloto.
No, ngisenazo. No. I call it the pen is gone.
Elerence,
No.
bad laws,
No. I don't
Lutho.
buy. No. I don't buy in school aid.
or uthenga cash.
Ngithenga lapho engafota khona ngemali encane hayi. I don't
Okay.
commit myself to. I've learned that. I was once before divorce, I was once here, but after divorce, I've learned to.
Nice mfethu.
Mm.
So la ngicabanga ukuthi imandate yakho, part of imandate yakho ubheka ama-drug unit, ama-taxi task team, truck hijacking task team, illegal mining, VIP protection, and intervention unit. Lapho-ke kudume kakhulu into yama-bribe. So njengoba kulula kakhulu ukuthi uthathe imali kuKate Matlala, kulula kangakanani ukuthi labantu bakubribe bese uyayijikisa?
Now remember, people who are dealing with these people daily basis, it's different commanders.
Kodwa phela mase baboshiwe beza kuwe angithi
Abo,
bona.
no, they don't come, no, it's
Abeze
different.
ku-
No.
So wena uzama ukuthi ngenxa yokuthi abazanga kuwe usinda kanjani ukuthi ungayitholi ibribe.
Angeke,
Akusuka ukuthi uzoyijikisa.
no, if it was like that, I think the witness, the beggars will shoot young as illegal mining.
Yini?
He doesn't know me.
Thank you so much, Honorable Breitenbach.